this weekend. I got a bin, had a few days off of work, got a bin on Friday, yesterday. I called them up and I said, we did some research for a bin earlier, and the best price we got was bin there, dump that. Do your own research. Not sure if it's still the best deal, but that's what we went with. It was $240 for the week, I believe. $10 for an additional day. You get up to 2 tons of dump. He said at most people maybe go half a ton over, and the amount of extra weight wasn't much. So my plan is, and you can get this dumped and they'll return it with no extra charge. But of course you pay by tonnage after that. There's certain things you can't put in there, like chemicals, propane, paint. Got rid of the old broken porch on the side of the house that's been sitting there for quite some time. You know, can't burn it, it's pressure treated, so that's gone. I got a bunch of the sofa couch that turns into a bed that's I want to get rid of, and a bunch of other stuff. So I'll be able to hopefully fill that up today. Well, maybe not today, but next couple of days. My plan is, hopefully if everything works out, I'll be able to get that out and call them up on Tuesday and get that dumped and re-brought in, and then we've got the whole weekend, another weekend, because I'll pay the extra $10 a day to get through the weekend and have them dump and take it away. So we should put a reasonably good hole in all this stuff we have. We have too much stuff. We keep buying and collecting, and you know, certain things you can't throw out. You know, I can't tell you how many garbage pails that I had. Switched over to not a Herbie Kirby, but the ones they pick up at the truck. I bought my own, so I don't need all these extra garbage cans. place to take a break. 81 in here. I'm going to take a little short break. This morning I cleaned up the garage. I went through a bunch of stuff, did some organizing, and I'm going to haul that stuff over to the garbage bin, and then hopefully that'll fill it up, wrap her up, and that'll be a day. And then tomorrow take a break, and that's the plan. That's the plan. So I originally went out here at 9 o'clock and shoveled this. You can't even tell. I'm out here again. It's 1 o'clock. So greenhouse was good and heavy. That's why I came out. So 9 o'clock. Now it's 1, and like we thought, you can't even tell that we actually did any shoveling at all. Does make it a little lighter though. we're going to transplant these. These were planted on January 16th. Today is February 6th again, so we're going to transplant these over and give them each a single pot. Nice holes in there. All right. That's our little guy here. Okay. So when we put these in, we want to pack it in so that we don't have a lot of air gaps. Very important here. And now we're going to water them in. We pack down the soil and we're going to water them in. And this will also help get rid of some of the air bubbles. Put them in the sun. They should pop right up. Okay, we should put them in the nice sunshine. We got a lot of sun happening today. We'll get them in the window and we'll check on them next week. Okay, next thing we're going to look at is our cilantro. We fertilized everything today for the first time. Up. Okay. Okay, here's our sweet potato. We got it growing like crazy. It's got the growth coming out on the side over here. And up on the top. We got our kohlrabi, and it's got its second leaves. We started fertilizing today first time. We've got our dwarf blue kale with 100% germination, I believe. We got even some grass growing. I think I'll pull that. We don't need grass. This here is our broccoli. So it looks like it's ready to be transplanted. And here we have our rutabaga. We've got 2 rutabaga, and that's all that came up here. 50% germination. And our jalapenos, peppers from the garden, has nothing. Oh, no, I don't think that's a jalapeno pepper. I think that's something else. So I think we're going to call that a fail, and we're going to try replanting those. Okay, today we're going to plant some Brussels sprouts. I believe these are from China. Don't like Chinese seeds, but this is what came. I got these from Amazon because the MI gardener was sold out. It's got big instructions on the back. It says start 6 to 8 weeks before the end of the last frost. So let's open these up. Okay, so what do we got here? Whoa, a lot of seeds. Don't need that many. So put that there. We're gonna put 2 seeds. Oh my God, look at that. They rolled out on a table. Okay, last little update from the time we started this. I took a video on the Friday, not Saturday, Sunday, Monday. It's Monday, so we're getting some good growth out of the sweet potato.